All right, well, all the preparation, all the work has led to today. Got the bike loaded up. I've got all the stuff that the last videos that have been posted have been about. Got some clothes and such in here, and computers, a little more stuff in there, and helmet, because we're going to start, we're going to do a moto vlog while we're down there. I got some friends we're going to meet up down in Florida and have a good time. So I'm going to take you all along for the ride. It should be fun. I don't know exactly how I'm going to split these videos up. I think this first one's going to be just the trip down there. So from where I'm at now to where I'm going to be staying in Florida is about 850 miles. So, you know, I've rode a lot of time. I've put a lot of miles on a bike. I've never rode more than about 500 miles in a day. So I'm gonna get started because it's gonna be a long day. I'm actually getting a later start than I wanted to. It's about, I don't know, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's gonna get dark on me quick. And I'll check in with y'all here in a little bit. All right, well, it's been about 2 hours now. I've been on the bike. I made it down here to a barbecue restaurant. I'm gonna get something to eat and then go across the street, get some fuel, because, you know, 5-gallon fuel tank. So yeah, let's see if this place is any good. All right, so barbecue place is good. Got my gas. Here we go again. I'll check out the next stop. Well, we've made it about 300 miles so far. Stopped for another fuel stop. I'm somewhere north of Atlanta in Georgia. But it's getting, well, obviously it's getting dark and the temperature is dropping, so got the jacket out, got some gloves, got my little face mask. One thing I forgot to do before I left the house originally was put these little guys in. These little earplugs that I have here. He wasn't even going that fast. These earplugs are awesome. I'll put a link down below. They cut out the wind noise while still letting you hear your radio. So that's gonna make a big difference, so I can actually, you know, hear people when I get down to Florida, because otherwise I'd basically be deaf for a couple of days. So yeah, I'm gonna stand here and take another few minutes of rest, and then suit back up and keep heading south. So far so good. I don't think I said anything yet, but I did get this little guy, this seat thing, and it has a little air pump that hooks up to it, and you put air in it, and it helps to kind of change your seating position a little bit. So far it's kind of nice. I think it's definitely helping, but I don't know, I'll see what it looks like once I get where I'm going. I think I've let most of the air out of it as I'm riding, so that's one of the things about them is you know, you can put air in it, and then as you get a little uncomfortable as you ride or something like that, you just let a little bit out here and there. So there it is. I got me some more GoPro batteries up here charging in this little glove box, you know, so we're not done making a video yet. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to give it a shot, because why not? That's all for now. I'll see you here at the next pit stop. All right, well, it's daylight, and yeah, it got cold last night. I didn't feel like riding in it, so ended up staying in a hotel. Got the bike back up, and yeah, I'm gonna go get some fuel real quick, and got about 300 or so miles left, and we're gonna finish this off and start enjoying the vacation down in Florida.
glad I took this and not the lighting. This thing's cheaper. That's about it.
Pretty much. See, this is what happens when I make sure my bike's ready to go and I
You
drive.
buy a brand new bike, okay? I don't want to
Hey,
hear this.
hey, sir.
Where's your
sir.
bike just from a year ago, Joey? Fucking Dylan. God damn.
Wow!
You were the last one on the list.
There's 4 people here, and he guessed the other 3 names first. I'm surprised he didn't say his own name.
Bro, there was a lot of names in there.
So yeah,
You right, Joey?
yeah, we got to get this one back together, get that one back together, and then hopefully tomorrow
No,
we're gonna go have some
no
fun.
problem.
That'll be another video though.
I
Have
may
fun.
have ratcheted down.